Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Raja. In this video, we're going to look at the stock Peloton, PTON, and we are going to look at whether the stock is offering any secondary entry point at this price level or not. We'll be looking at the tracker, we'll be looking at the chart, and we will see whether the stock is offering any secondary entry point at this price level, and also look at a couple of calls or puts depending upon the situation. So let's get started. And before we move on, this is our website. Please check it out when you get a chance. What are the information I say here, all recorded over there, so you can refer it at any time. And please check out all our social media sites. We are everywhere. We love to see you guys there. And please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on many stocks and indices in coming days. So let's start with the website tracker. You guys are looking at that Peloton tracker in the website, and its original enterprise was $51.08, and as of today it's closed well over $65.26 and posting closer to 30% gains since then. And the stop loss was around $46.99, which was never in question because the stock was never priced below that price level. So I believe this stock is now offered a secondary entry point around July 22nd between $64.14 to $67.35, and the stop loss was around 59.01. Even though it's not offering any secondary entry point today, but I believe this secondary entry point is still valid as of today. So let's look at this chart and see why this entry point is valid as of today. Because if you look at, it was added to the tracker originally when it's cleared this consolidation and found support around its 10-week moving average. And you guys are looking at PTON weekly settings. As you guys know that I love the weekly settings because it's eliminate a lot of daily noise. And the two indicators that I follow is the 10-week moving average and the 50-week moving average. So after that, it's ran up very nicely around here, and here it's offered another entry point at the time, but it rallied, then it came down. So as of today, it found support at its 10-week moving average. That is the reason I believe this stock is offering a secondary entry point. So it's went up, it came down, and it's consolidating in that same price zone. So it does not now violate any new zone, or so it's happened to be have in the same zone. So that is the reason I believe the stock is offering a buy price. So let's look at the tracker one more time. So your minimum entry price is still going to be 64.14, 67.35, give or take few points here and there, but the stop loss is going to be around $59. So anytime the stock posts loss, like a post loss around $59, it will get closed because the secondary entry point may not be as powerful as the primary entry point at some times. So you have to be very careful with your stop loss. So if it goes below this price level for whatever reason, do not even ask any question, just close and get out. So as we are looking for a short-term upward move, so I will start with the October call. You can start with the 70. 70 is reasonable to achieve, like 10%, which is puts around $71 or something like that. So which is reasonable to achieve. So you can go to 75 if you are really aggressive, but 70, 75 is reasonable for the short term, next 4 to 6 weeks. So that was I would start with. And if you have this stock is kind of in the space of fitness and looks like Apple not trying to enter into that space, it may not be a competitor, it may be complementing the stock that they are the higher end, in this case are on the lower end. So anyways, this stock is has some firepower, and it has one of the COVID winner, and hopefully this growth can sustain. So that is the reason it's offering a secondary entry point. So you can start with a small pilot buy, and if you are into options, you can look at the October call. And if you're into long term and if you want to take less risk, then you probably can look at the January call. It might be a little bit more expensive because you're buying more time, so it comes with a premium. So that was what you can start with. So let's see how things plays out. I will put the tracker link in the description section, and the tracker will get updated at the end of the day with the closing stock price, so we can track it day in and day out. So hopefully this sucker can rally from this point onwards. Okay guys, thank you for watching this quick video. Please check out our website, please check out all our social media sites, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on many stocks and indices in coming days, and have a great week.